I think one of the most painful types of people to be is ambitious, but lazy. Because you can literally see the life you want in your head so clearly, but your habits are still built for comfort, distraction, and easy dopamine. So every night feels like wasted potential, but let me show you how to finally break that cycle. Part 1. Stop letting your phone wake you up. Seriously, the first thing you do every morning is grab your phone and flood your brain with stimulation before you've even had a single independent thought. And then you wonder why you can't focus for the rest of the day. So just buy a cheap alarm clock. Put your phone outside your room, and for the first 30 minutes of every morning, do absolutely nothing stimulating. Part 2. Create friction against your bad habits. Your environment controls you way more than your motivation ever will. If junk food is in your room, you'll eat it. If your phone is beside you, you'll check it. If TikTok is installed, you'll open it without thinking. So stop relying on self-control and start making your bad habits annoying to access. Delete social media every morning and reinstall it at night if you really want it, if it's really that important. Also, keep your charger in another room. These tiny inconveniences kill impulsive behavior. Your brain always chooses the path of least resistance. Use that against yourself. Part 3. Stop setting fake goals. Most of your goals are way too vague, and your brain cannot execute vagueness. Instead, simply create rules. Rules remove your decision-making, and decision-making is what drains you. Don't say, I'm gonna work more. Say, from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. every day, I sit at my desk with my phone outside the room. Now, there's no thinking involved. You either followed the rule or you didn't. Part 4. Track your wasted time brutally. You probably have no idea where your life is actually going. You just feel busy. So for the next 7 days, write down what you do every single hour, every hour. And don't lie to yourself, because seeing scrolled TikTok for 3 hours written on paper feels disgusting in a way your brain can't ignore. You need visual proof of your self-destruction, because vague guilt never changes you. Awareness does. And lastly, stop waiting to become the type of person who feels like doing hard work. That person does not exist. The people you admire are usually tired, bored, unmotivated, and still doing the work anyway. It's just the ability to act while your brain begs you not to.